Hello everybody, I hope you are having a good day. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to optimize your Windows 10 to get the best gaming experience. But before we start the video, I wanna make something clear. It is pretty obvious, if you wanna have higher frame rates, you have got to decrease your graphics quality and most importantly, your in-game resolution, which totally depends on the capability of your graphics card and CPU. And the stuff that I mentioned, like decreasing graphic and increasing frame rate, that's all those softwares out there do. I mean, softwares claiming to optimize your game. It's pretty logical. That's what they do. You can't expect a miracle from them. But since there are a few ways that uh, by doing some tricks that I'm gonna tell you, you can definitely increase your frame rate in the game without sacrificing your graphics quality or even your resolution. Alright? So, yeah, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is to go to your search box, type Task Manager, bring it up. From here, go to Startup tab, and you can see a bunch of applications and services which whenever you start your Windows, they also launch automatically and they just keep running unless you close them manually. All right, you can disable them from here, and you can also see how much they impact your performance. Like Microsoft Edge, its startup impact is high. You can just disable them. And because I already have some of them disabled, it is saying enable. For example, let's see. Yeah, this one is enabled, so I just click disable. Yeah, um, you can just disable any of them that you don't need. Next thing you want to do is to change your power plant settings. In order to do so, go to search box and type control panel, bring it up. Make sure it is set on large icons. From here, click on power options. From here, click on create a power plant and just select high performance and click next. And then you can change some stuff here and then click on create. And there's also a video about how to um, fix freezing issue on Windows 10. The link is in the description, and in that video I have explained more details about this power plant stuff. All right, just check it out if you think it's gonna help. This method that I want to show you is exclusive to NVIDIA users. So it's actually for every single game you can change the 3D settings. In order to do so, right click on desktop, click on NVIDIA control panel, bring it up. From here, click on manage 3D settings. Wait for it a little bit, then go to program settings. Select a program to customize. You can select your game, or even you can also click on add, and you can also browse for it. For example, I have already selected Watch Dogs. All right, after that you click on add selected program. Okay, from here click on this, and after that click on high performance. So this one, the difference between this and power plant option is that this one particularly focuses on the designated game. All right, and it can definitely help a lot. And after that, click on apply. Next method you can do is to change your gaming settings on Windows 10. In order to do so, bring up settings. From here, click on gaming. You can see a bunch of options here. The first one is Xbox Game Bar. Just turn this off because you don't need it unless you want to experience some lags. Alright? Then go to Capture tab. From here, you see, turn this off. And finally, go to Game Mode. Alright, this one is a little bit different because having this setting off helps to improve your frame rate in some games. And at the same time, in some other games, having this setting on actually helps to improve your in-game frame rate. Alright? You just need to test this for every single game and to see which one helps. I mean, having it off or on. You need to test it manually for every single game. Alright? For this method, you need to upgrade your graphics driver. For example, if you are using NVIDIA graphics card, just simply go to search box, type in GeForce Experience, there we go. Click on that, and then you can update your graphics driver. But before that, you have to be logged in to your NVIDIA account. Another way to upgrade your graphics driver is to head to NVIDIA website itself, and according to your graphics card model, you can download the latest driver. If you don't know your graphics card model, you can right click somewhere on desktop, go for NVIDIA control panel. It takes some time. There we go. From here you can see your graphics card version. There's also another thing here. You can click on system information. You can see more details on your graphics card. Alright. So the next thing is to upgrade your CPU driver. Alright. In order to do so, go to search box again. Type device manager. There it is. Bring it up. From here, look for processors. It's here. It depends on the number of cores your CPU has. It doesn't matter, just click on one of them. For example, this one. Double click on it. Driver. Click on update driver. And after that, select search automatically for drivers. And yeah. For the next method, you can actually disable some of the Windows visual effects. It can help a lot, to be honest. In order to do so, go for search box, and from here, type in view, advanced, there we go, view advanced system settings, click on that. From here, click on advanced, and then in the performance box, click on settings. Alright, and from here, in visual effects tab, you can uncheck everything except these two. I mean, this one, show thumbnails instead of icons, must be checked, and this one, smooth edges of screen fonts. Except these two, the others can be unchecked. Final method is kind of weird, but it helps a lot if you are using mouse and keyboard for gaming. Alright, so you just go to settings. From here, bring up devices, select mouse. After that, click on additional mouse options. Alright, then click on pointer options. From here, in the motion section, you can see a checkbox here saying enhance pointer precision, aka mouse acceleration. So you need to disable this. Just whatever it is, uncheck, then click on apply. So basically, This one, what it does is whenever you move your mouse faster, it actually moves your cursor farther away at the same time. All right. It can impact your precision in first-person shooter games, and also at the same time, the weird thing that I mentioned is that it can somehow create the illusion of having lag in the game. You know? Yeah, by the way. Alright, that's it for today's video. But before I end it, I want to mention something, and it's about overclocking stuff. The fact is that overclocking, it can increase your in-game frame rate, alright? But at the same time, it can put your hardware at a risk. Because every hardware, whether it's graphics card or CPU, they all have a threshold. And if you pass that, it can cause serious problems. So actually, overclocking is more like a trial and error. Alright? I don't suggest it. By the way, I hope you have found this video useful, and don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.